Hey, this is James coming to you from Patriot Dryer Vent Cleaning. So today we encountered a client where her dryer was throwing out error codes indicating that there was some blockage and the heating element was getting too hot in the dryer, so it was shut down after about 5 minutes. So what we discovered, and this is very common in San Antonio, is that this screen was installed over the dryer vent on top of the roof. Now, by code, this screen is not supposed to be there, and we can see why. It's about a 1/2 inch of dryer length that's just caked on there and created a dam so that air can't properly flow through the dryer vent. This can be very, very problematic. If you're not sure about what type of dryer vent you have, or not sure about where your dryer vent is, call us or connect with us through our Facebook page or at our website, www.cleanmydryervent.org, and we'll come out and inspect your roof vent at no charge and look for any blockage. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day.